right here, right now, on your favorite channel. It's Flashback Friday! Hey everybody, how you doing? Man, I am just having a riot looking through some of my old race videos. Even if you haven't saved them, but you got them up on YouTube, I recommend you go back and take a look through the past. It's kind of fun. Alright, today, March 16th, NASCAR Gander trucks at Atlanta Motor Speedway. I really like Atlanta. I say that in the video several times. Just a fun track to run, in my opinion. I've had some very good runs there overall in all of the series, but man, you can get caught up in some bullshit too. We have a long green flag run in this race, and I'm not sure, but I think it was the longest green flag run I had in iRacing at this time. I'm only, 5 months since I started iRacing at this time in March. So anyway, one of my longer green flag runs. I think it's too bad that they're changing it, adding banking. I don't think that's going to make the racing any better. And as narrow of a venue that Atlanta is, I fear some really bad accidents. But anyway, okie dokie. So, you know, in honor of Atlanta being changed again, here we go. March 16th, 2021, NASCAR Gander trucks, Atlanta Motor Speedway. Hey everybody, how you doing? NASCAR Gander Truck Series open at Atlanta Motor Speedway. I'll be in the UPS Ford F-150 number 19 truck today. I'm starting 7th in a field of 28. Race length is 80 laps, which equals 120 miles. Atlanta Motor Speedway is a 1.5 mile quad oval. There's 24-degree banking in the turns and 5-degree banking on the straightaway.
Long, exciting race. You guys are going to have a good time.
Welcome to Hot Atlanta.
Bottom this time.
Monday, first time slot of the week. Decided to do this. I like racing this first time slot. There was like 168 drivers in the practice lobby, so you get a really nice break on the strength of field and iRating. I did not look at the iRatings before I jumped in here, so I can't tell you what they are. Probably pretty damn close to my 1740. Had a pretty good qualifying run for the 19th seed truck, starting 7th here on the inside. I like Atlanta, like running here. It is, in my opinion, one of the most unique of the 1.5 mile tracks. Atlanta does chew up your tires, though. We get 5 sets here. We can change tires every 16 laps. Running the VRS setup, I watched their tutorial with great interest. And it was interesting to watch the master himself fall off a full second in about 10 to 12 laps. That's how bad this track chews the tires. But the set feels good. I've run good here. I've got a 2nd place here. I've run good here overall, but I've had some incidents. You know, you can get caught up in something. But all right, here we go. No viewers that I know of in this field.
Behind the 9. This thing gets boring. We're in a good spot. We got a beer stand and a pizza stand right behind our pit box.
Very happy for you, Chad. How about let's have a good race?
Man, pace cars off. Drive smart there. I'm off, man. Pace cars off. We'll have a great day. Green, green, green. Working the top.
Oh, come on, dude.
Inside. Yeah, now.
Man, I had a great.
Still there. Nope. No, close.
I'm not so sure how he got that squirrely for that long. Usually when you grab a gear, it'll straighten you right out. They were on the apron. There's nowhere I could go. I did a fantastic job of not fucking cornholing him, didn't I? And whoever was behind me did a fantastic job of not crawling up my tailpipe.
All right, fellas, nice and smooth here today. Let's go out and have ourselves some fun. You'll be outside. You're behind the 9-1.
Great, behind the 9.
1-5-4. Slide back in your seat there, bud. Get those belts a good tug. Get a good look at your steering wheel there. Make sure that thing's buttoned up right. Pace car's off. Are you ready? Pace car's off. Are you ready? Green, green, green.
I need it.
Working outside. Still outside.
This is pretty hairy.
Outside.
Ooh, big move by the yellow truck.
Still outside. Clear outside.
Slider in the wall.
Outside. Clear. Caution. Caution. Open. No, close.
Okay, so this is how this one's gonna be. Well, I think we got 2 laps under green out of the 10.
Radio check.
Spotter, radio check.
There we go. I knew somebody was missing.
New fastest lap for Shepherd, 126.9.
That's a fast lap.
That's a new fastest lap for Hawkins, 124.7.
Whoa, shaved 2 seconds off.
That's a new fastest lap for Taylor, 51.6.
Uh-oh, 4 is blinking hard. And remember, the yellow truck was all over the place, as was the 9. You know what time it is? Crank that knob to 11.
Weaver.
Pace car is off. Be ready. We'll be looking up in front of you now. Pace car is off. Be ready. Green. 1:16.085
today. New fastest lap for Arts, 40.7.
outside.
32.3.
31.85. 9. Outside clear. Working the bottom. 31 low.
5 did a fantastic job of staying down.
The fuel window will open on lap 60. Will close on lap 42.
Four's giving way.
Door clear.
The best that he can.
Outside. Still out there. The door clear.
I knew he'd get loose. Just had to be patient. All right, catching up with the pack.
You're on the way. 32.3, aim 6.
13's got a handful.
3.132.
Okay, Dave, the next car is Rogers.
Oh, for God's sakes.
Working outside, outside. Clear. Outside. Outside is clear.
This is insanity here.
34.02.
There it is.
Keep it up, caution. It is now.
I'm surprised it wasn't a 13.
The road is closed.
Okay, Dave, your engine temperatures are okay. All clear on engine temperatures. Pace car is out. Line up single file behind car number 20.
How am I still in 10th? Thought I got passed by about a half dozen.
You're going to be lining up behind the 20.
That was a masterful job, if I do say so myself, coming up off the apron back onto the racing surface there, but they gave me the room. They knew.
The leader is pitting now. Position 20, immediately behind Benjamin. We'll need to stop again.
Start looking for you, it's 9. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop on the sign. Stop on the sign.
Go, man, go. Clear out, all that. Go, go, go. All right, man, we're lined up here.
Well, what do you know? I gained 2 spots on pit road. That was for a caution pit stop, yellow flag pit stop. That was just about a perfect stop for me.
We are on 1 to go. Now, unfortunately, we will be on the outside here. 1 minute 21.3.
All right, we've been here before. I'm probably going to give up some positions here in the first lap or two for these hard chargers, and then we've been here before. We'll get them back later.
Nice deep
You know what time it is?
Ready to go.
Crank that knob to 11.
Ready to start off. We ready? Ready, ready. You ready? We're going on the flag. We ready? Green, green, green.
Okay, just take it easy. Let it happen. I really don't like the outside though. Just let it happen. I think he kind of gave way. He was going to let me go high. And I tried, but I couldn't. Halfway.
36. Laps remaining on this tank.
Don't touch that dial.
Outside corner. Your hand. Right at halfway right now. 32.499.
B7. The lap time was 32.5.
So we're 4 laps short on fuel.
Don't touch that dial.
Ooh, no, it's showing me.
The guy ahead of us is Wilson.
Okay, we got 44 laps, 37 to go, so we can make it to the end. I don't know what I saw that one time I glanced up there. I thought he said we were 4 laps shy.
8, 2, 4.
Ooh, yeah, this truck will get light as the laps burn off, as the fuel burns off. There's another one coming down who's had enough. It appears that I'm 5 laps to the good. That was a good corner. Just got to be conscious about letting that wheel unwind, so I don't pinch myself down and spin myself. Like right there, I started to slide, had to feather it. Yep. I think I better come up a half a lane in 1 and 2. But be ready for it to step out, because I'm doing something different.
33.13. The lap time was 83.1. Sixth place.
Okay, that wasn't too bad.
That's it, man. Get up to his bumper. He'll move. Clear outside. Clear, clear, clear. 33.2.
That was at 33.3.
Okay, come on, number 5. I think I'm going to put my money on you.
33.2.
That was at 33.3.
That might have been the wrong bet.
Outside. Clear. outside. Still outside. Outside clear.
Well, I got him once before, I'll get it again. Or we can just sit here and forth. Let it happen naturally if it happens.
Inside. Clear, clear, clear.
Well, I'm showing I'm good to fuel, man.
34.
I guess they're just saying enough's enough.
Oh yeah, you're working that thing now.
I don't want to wreck is what they're saying, I guess. Is that the leader right up there? It is. Here comes fresh tires. Would have liked to have you given me just a little bit more room there, Lapper. Now, will he be able to lap the field? You know what I mean? But with the fall off. Sorry, buddy. Seam got me there.
1.6.
Well, I'm not making any on the leader. In fact, he's pulling away just a little bit. I got a second on third place. I think he's on the same strategy as we are, not on new tires. And here's somebody going to start it, cause a caution.
33.462.
Is this the leader right here? I think it is. Holy shit. That's why the 15 gave him so much,
33.794.
I was just kind of daydreaming there. Well, he and I are pretty well evenly matched here. I just wish I didn't have to deal with these lappers coming up 10 mile an hour faster that are barely giving me any room.
Inside. Still inside. Still with you inside. Get that lap car up there. Clear. Good job.
Still got a second on the third place car. We're coming down to brass tacks here. I need that leader to make a slide. That's the only way I got it.
Drive away, you gotta take care of stuff, do what's necessary. Working the bottom. Shit, my man, keep blowing them down. Can't be too long to it.
Let's go, man.
Outside. Outside clear. Outside. Two more, let's go. 34.2 to go.
Keep it together. We'll be on the podium. That was 34.3.
Inside. Still there. Last lap. Still there.
Well done. Decent drive. Flag. Hit the wall, fellas. Man, that was pretty good.
Well, I don't know what the hell that was all about. But I wasn't going to lift. I went to the dirt.
Pit speed limit.
Picked up a third. I don't know who that was that slowed down. I think that was the leader. Yeah, it had to have been. Number 2 truck. He must have ran out of fuel. He ran out of fuel. Incredible. There it is. He's going, no, no, no. So he's in second right now. 17 got him. He's out of fuel. Oh, there's a 17. I don't hit him. Oh, he wasn't paying attention. Okay, he tried to avoid me. All right, we'll give you that one. I'll tell you what, if you're going to wreck and get a 4X, that's where you fucking do it. All right, podium, blown up. Oh, man, incredible race. The 3 got me at the end. Yep, okay. And the 17 took the win. I thought he was a lapper truck. I wasn't looking at the relative board. I was just paying attention to who was behind me, distance-wise, physical distance, and didn't realize he had come up. But wow, 53 laps on one set of tires. Two either got really, really loose or ran out of fuel, because I climbed up on him out of nowhere, and there was nothing I could do. I just hook it left and hope we cross the stripe. Wow, all right. Well, podium. Can't beat with that with a stick. Had the lead for what, a half a lap? Well, you know what? That's a fun one. That is a fun one. Anytime you bring it home in third, I guess, you know. I mean, it's not winning, but it was close, man. It was close. All right, well, guys, thanks for coming along for the ride. That was a wild one. Wild start and wild finish. All right, hey, we'll see you next time.